An idiom. An idiom is a combination of words which has a proper meaning, but this combination does not make a literal meaning. It means if we try to translate it words by words, its meaning will be different. Let's discuss some of the most common phrases and idioms. The first one is sick and tired. जब आप किसी चीज के करने या होने से बहुत ज्यादा उकता जाते हो तब आप ये idioms बोलते हो. For example, I am sick and tired of eating the same things for dinner every day. You have got to be kidding me. जब आप एक हकीकी स्टेटमेंट को तवक्को नहीं करते हो और कोई वो आपके सामने बोलता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, है सनी, फादर टोल्ड मी टू टेल यू दैट यू शुडंट वॉच मूवीज. हे, you have got to be kidding me. I am 20 years old. Bore to death. जब आप हद से ज्यादा बोर हो जाते हो, आपके पास करने के लिए कुछ नहीं होता. Like, I am bored to death. Let's do something. I have nothing to do. Sure, come over and we can play games. A bone of contention. झगड़े या तनाज़े की वजह. This land is a bone of contention among the brothers. All and sundry. तमाम, सब के सब. All and sundries were invited to the birthday party. A white elephant. बेकार चीज, फजूल शी, फजूल शे. This old motorcycle is a white elephant for me. All in all, सब कुछ, everything. A principal is all in all in a school or a college. Beat about the bushes. फजूल बात करना. Don't beat about the bush. Let's get down to the business. Better half means BB. Sarah is my better half. bosom friends. bosom friend, हकीकी नजदीकी दोस्त. Mountain is my bosom friend.